Michael Judd here. I'm making PawPaw history. Today is December 11th. It's my birthday. And I've been saving a few PawPaws in the refrigerator since I harvested them at the end of September, 2.5 months ago. And I'm pigging out on them. They're delicious. The flesh is still nice and firm, sweet, aromatic. This cultivar is NC1. Safe handling and good harvesting and storage will allow you to keep PawPaws obviously for 2.5 months. This fruit never ceases to surprise me. I love PawPaws. Oh.